Alright, so let's do something fun, shall we? Most of the people on this channel have a Volkswagen, and a lot of people that comment here. And I thought it might be an opportunity for all of you to comment things you like or dislike about your Bug or Bus or whatever, any of your Volkswagens. And I thought I'd go over some of the things that I thought I love about the cars and let you guys go ahead and make your comments below and like or dislike the ones that you agree with and reply to them if you do or whatever. Make it fun down there in the comments. So I'm going to start with I love my Volkswagen because it's round. I really like my Volkswagen because it doesn't have a radiator. I love my Volkswagen because it's great for tall people, have a lot of leg room and a lot of headroom. I love my Volkswagen because they're great for big people. I love my Volkswagen because I don't need a locking gas cap because the gas tank is in the trunk. I love my Volkswagen because it has a place to put my tools. And you do need them sometimes. I really love my Volkswagen because they come with these really cool rag tops, and they open up really big, and it's a lot of fun. I love my Volkswagen because it's old, and I don't need to have a smog check in California. I love my Volkswagen because it gets incredibly good gas mileage with this 36 horsepower motor. I love my Volkswagen, but it always seems to leak oil no matter what I do. Well, at least that one does. I love my Volkswagen because they made these really cool campers, and you can actually probably even live in one of these. I think people did in the 60s. I love my Volkswagen because I definitely need a AAA membership because sometimes it just doesn't make it home. I love my Volkswagen because it carries lots of people. I love my Volkswagen because I can throw my surfboard in here and I don't have to worry about it getting broken. That was the original reason I got one. I love my Volkswagen, especially the 6-volt one when the wipers go really, really slow. I love my Volkswagen because if my taillights and headlights don't work, all I have to do is just wiggle my fuses like this and they start to work again. I love my Volkswagen because it has these cool fluted lenses. I love my Volkswagen because it has these cool crosshatch wheel trim. Really love these things. I even love this Volkswagen even though sometimes I hate it, but it's because it gets 50 miles a gallon. It's diesel. The thing I love about my Volkswagen is you can do anything you want to make them go really, really fast. Build your engine, make it go fast, and it's a lot of fun. I love my Volkswagen because it's 6-volt. It's always a challenge to know if somebody's not going to rear end me. I love my Volkswagen because they love to rust, and I like fixing rust. I love my Volkswagen because it used to carry this motorcycle right inside, just like that. I love my Volkswagen because I really was a big fan of the Flintstones. I love Volkswagens because they have these cool wide 5 rims that you can't ever get on a balancer today. I love my Volkswagen because if it breaks down, all you need is one of these and a pickup truck to get it home. I love my Volkswagen because, you know what? These old engines are just too cool. I love my Volkswagen because these old colors are just amazing. So, we all love our Volkswagens, and everybody's got a different reason why. So why don't you put those reasons why down in the comments, or if you really hate Volkswagens, maybe you can leave those comments as well. and maybe some of us will learn a lesson. I don't know, but I thought it'd be kind of fun for you guys to go ahead and interact with each other. It seems to be kind of a fun thing to do on the channel. And thanks for watching. Make sure you make those comments, and love your Volkswagen.